Hey, Chem Kids. Now we're going to talk about basically a couple of mole conversions. So the first two, I want to talk about two in this video, and I'm going to do two in another video, and then I'm going to do one more video that's kind of combining everything together. But for this one, we're going to look at what happens whenever we want to go from mass to moles, or we want to go from moles to particles. So anytime I want to go from mass to moles, so basically, if we kind of look at it like this, we have mass, moles, particles. Anytime we want to go from mass to moles, basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the mass that we have divided by the molar mass. So like if I said in this case, how many moles of H do I have in 5 grams? So what I do is I say, okay, moles is going to be equal to, I have 5 grams of hydrogen divided by the molar mass of hydrogen, which I get right off my periodic table, or that 1.01. And I'm going to find that I have basically 5 moles of hydrogen. If I say, I have 10 grams of, say, CH4, how many moles? Well, in this case, I found out earlier that the molar mass of CH4 is going to be 16. So I'd say my moles is equal to the grams that I have, where I have 10 grams, divided by my molar mass, which is 16 grams. Or in this case, I would have 0.625 moles of CH4. So anytime we go from mass to moles, we want to take the mass that we have of that substance divided by the molar mass. The next thing we'll do is, like, let's say we have moles and we want to go from moles over to particles. If we want to go from moles to particles, basically what we do here is we know that 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles. So we'd say, okay, well, we're going to do the number of moles that we have times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So let's see if I have a better calculator than my phone here. I don't. That's okay. I'll make it work. Let's say in this case I have 2 moles of hydrogen, and I want to know how many hydrogen particles I have. Well, because I have moles and we're going to particles, we're going to take my number of moles times that 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. And I'm going to get that I have 12.04 times 10 to the 23rd power, or if you wanted to write this, it'd be 12.20 times 10 to the 24th particles of H2O. So we would always just are going to take, whenever we go from moles to particles, we take our number of moles times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, and that's going to give us our answer.